Hi you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I'm Danielle if you have not met me already. As you can tell by the incredibly cluttered background, today I'm doing a little bit of like an organize, clean with me, but rave edition. I just want to basically incorporate all of my like rave-ish outfits into just my aesthetic in general because I feel the most like myself when I am all decked out and dressed up. And since I am also my own boss, I basically can wear whatever I want on a day-to-day basis. I thought in today's video what I would do is organize my clothes a little bit, declutter a bit, and then also share with you all my rave collection, my rave wardrobe. I just feel like my room is so cluttered right now that I don't even really know what I have. I thought it would be something fun to do in the meantime while I get things ready for all of the upcoming shows that I'm about to attend and for the festivals that I'm about to go to going into the new year. My next festival that I'll be planning is Hijinks actually, so that will be ringing in the new year basically. If you want to see all of my outfits that I put together and piece together, then follow me on my Instagram. That is where I kind of show off all the things that I style. So let me just show you around basically. It always changes in here. It's going to continue to change as I learn a little bit more of the things and style that I want to kind of curate for my room. Also, I still have yet to show you guys my suite. I really need to show you guys my suite because that is basically where I've been putting all of my decorative like mind and energy in, but it's just not done. Nothing in my life is ever finished, especially when it comes to like my bedroom and my style and all that. So anyways, we have this. This hasn't changed much. I did update this a bit. Also ignore my messy bed. Since I put my moon tapestry into the suite, I just changed it into this astrology one. I put my alien poster back. Ignore my broken lampshade. I have some of my shoes. My shoes are pretty much scattered everywhere in my room. Here's some rave stuff that I want to organize. All my dresser stuff that I want to organize. Here we have like all my backpacks. There's the lunchbox. Up here I keep some other rave stuff. Some more of my accessories that I want to organize. I'm trying. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sort of trying. This really needs some work. I've just never completed it. And we have some more of my fancy shoes up here. My disco hat. This always looks like a disaster. Over here is where I put all my clean laundry that I need to put away, but I just haven't yet. And then over here is where we'll be spending most of our time today. The cool thing is, also ignore all my laundry. I originally actually got this rack to have all my favorite statement pieces, and then I was planning on filming videos and having this be the backdrop. But since I've been back home, I mean, I've been home for basically a year now, but since then I've just used it as just a regular rack because I don't have a closet right now. My room is one big space to just hold shit. Basically, like all my clothes and stuff. I feel like it is one big closet, honestly. Back to what I was saying. Oh my god, the sun exposure. No, no, no. Hopefully this is somewhat okay lighting. I know the sun is right here, but anyways. So now that you guys kind of have an understanding of like my thought process with this, I want to show you what I've been doing with my rave clothes, which isn't very nice. So I keep a lot of my extra stuff in bins underneath my bed. That's where I keep all my workout stuff mostly. And that's where I've been keeping a lot of my rave stuff or just like seasonal stuff. All my little like decorative pieces I keep in this bin right here, which as you can tell looks quite unorganized. I'm not gonna hang my fishnets and stuff, so I'll probably take all of this. I have so much stuff actually. Then I also have like these fishnets that I can put elsewhere. Black fishnets, these are for upper body and lower body. Here are my reflective like, what are these? Leg garners. I talked about these a lot for Elements in Lost Lands. I bought them. So I think like anything like that can go into this bin. I basically can keep it in here. Here's my white fishnets, which I will be wearing this weekend because I am going to Desert Hearts. I'm so pumped for that. All my nocturnal necessities, I want to basically display all of her stuff, and I probably will be getting more from April eventually. I want to just kind of have like a whole spot for all of her stuff. Here's my orange outfit that I wore to Sunset Music Festival. This is very special to me, a very sentimental outfit, as well as the nocturnal necessities, because Sunset was like one of my most favorite festivals, as you guys know. Moving over here, as you can tell, I do have some of my rave pieces already displayed. I have my Disco Lemonade set. I will be wearing this weekend actually to Desert Hearts. So pumped about that. So first what I'm going to do is take everything off that isn't like rave-ish, I guess. Oh my gosh. Here's some more rave stuff that I forgot was buried underneath all of my clean clothes. Here's my other nocturnal necessities top. The one that has the dinosaurs on this. I wore this for day 1 to Lost Lands. Now we have a much more cleaner purple couch. I basically just took all my clean clothes and I organized them based off of like where I'm going to put them back. Here is all of the stuff that I just took off of here. And then now I have to go through and decide in here what will be considered more rave-ish. Like for example, these shorts I always wear like underneath a t-shirt to shows. And then on the other side I have these sequin shorts. I also have this type of stuff that I will wear to shows. This is from So Butterfly. As you guys know, I love to support Ashley's brand, so I have a couple different things. I have a Rhythm shirt, must be buried in here, which I'll sort out in a second. I kind of just want to go through all of this, get rid of some stuff, and decide for situations like this is probably gonna go over here. Here is a Rick and Morty shirt that I made cropped. We got Elon Musk smoking a blunt on the Joe Rogan podcast. Here's some more infamous shirts. I have the Grateful Dead. I got this at Free People. It's like a super long shirt dress. My Snails t-shirt. This one got a little fuzzy in the wash, but this is my Grizz Grateful Dead t-shirt. I got this from So Butterfly. Wore this at Elements. And then of course, as you guys know, I wear this shirt like in every video. These pants, you probably can't really tell on camera because they're just black, but these pants are from Forever 21. They're like legging material and they flare out. As of right now, this is basically when I go to shows what I wear, and then I will just wear one of those tops that I showed you guys from like So Butterfly or something, because I feel like that's what I feel the most comfortable in, like that kind of stuff and that kind of material. So yeah, I do get tons of use out of these, but I am probably going to keep them on here just because they're technically normal people pants. Okay, now we're talking more party festively stuff. This has been hidden for a while. This is a sparkly dress that I got from Francesca's one year for New Year's Eve. Eventually I will get to wearing this dress. I was contemplating wearing it for Desert Hearts this weekend, but since the Disco Lemonade outfit came in, I'm going to wear that instead. This, you guys, oh my gosh, this was a Deja Vu outfit, which was absolutely perfect since it was a beach setting. I wore a white bathing suit underneath this, and then it's a matching set. It has the mesh top with the shorts, which are underneath here. I wore this set to a little show thing that happened New Year's Eve 2020. That was like the last like festive thing that I had gone to before the pandemic. But I was actually sick, so this didn't really get its moment the way that I wanted it to either. And then another sparkly dress that I had gotten years ago from Forever 21. Basically what I've done is made a complete and absolute disaster in my room. Here is all of the pile of clothes that I had underneath my bed. I'm going to start by putting all of this on hangers, and like if I have any matching sets, I'm going to try and put them into one. Several hours has passed now, and I just can never seem to not take all day when I'm organizing all of my stuff, but it's fine. Let me show you what I've gotten so far since the last time I updated you guys. My normal clothes rack is now officially reorganized. This is the pile of clothes that I am getting rid of, so I definitely did add some more to this. Over here we have my assortment of party stuff. I still have some more stuff over here that I gotta get through that I will share with you guys, but this is basically all of my rave stuff, festival stuff, and just like party going fun stuff. It's not really organized in a specific manner. It's more so just placed so that way this doesn't like lean too much. We have this like interesting pattern shirt that I got a long time ago. I just feel like it's fun and festive, and I could definitely wear that to like a show. Then we have some tutus that I've gotten over the years. Nocturnal necessities all right here, so I can just grab her whenever I want to do a photo shoot or anything. And here we just have some more of my famous rave outfits. This is the infamous watermelon top. I posted on my Instagram about this top, but I got this top years ago with the intention of wearing it to a rave, and I did for my first Moonrise Festival. Over here in this section, it starts to kind of gravitate towards more stuff that I would wear to shows, or more like festive party outfits, or like even a multi-genre festival. This is kind of the area that I would grab towards. I have my elephant pants, which are great to wear like for camping festivals if I'm just going to get food really fast or whatever in the mornings. That's perfect. They're kind of old. They have like a hole in them. So I don't really wear these too often because I'm like always self-conscious people are going to see that, but still very festive. Then we have this tie-dye dress, which actually a friend gave me, and I never really wear it, but I feel like it would be perfect for like a summery show. And then here's my Tarantino shirt. Perfect. I forgot about this shirt. It's just like a star flared shirt, but perfect to wear for a video or for a show. Moon Delights is my stars, moons, anything like that is my aesthetics. So yep, that is what we have all underneath the disco ball. I love it. Okay, you guys, you can literally see the progression of how long this has taken me today, as now the sun is setting. Now we're going through the rave stuff. This basket of like party stuff. This is like more accessories and stuff. I want to just go through it, see what I have. These are some Happy New Year hats that I've kept over the years. My nipple pasties that I got from I Heart Raves that I talked about. I just kind of keep like this kind of stuff in there. Here is all my candy, which, speaking of candy, as you guys know, I have an affiliate link with Candy Bar. I have so much still that I keep receiving when I do trade out candy, and also stuff that I've just had that I've made over the years. I just have this type of accessory thing, harness thing, that I wore for Lost Lands. I have a wig for Halloween one year. That I just kind of keep. Figure I can just kind of like froof it up if I ever want to wear it again. I have all these leg warmers that my cousins actually gave to me. So fun fact, as I wear this wig, my cousins used to rave. They're like older, like they're like in, most of them are in their 30s entering into their 40s. They actually paved the way for festivals for me. So I never really get rid of these just because they do have like some sort of sentimental value, because my cousins were in the thick of it. Then I have my Pixel Whip, obviously. I have a random costume. This I wore to Fright Night on the second day. I was like a little alien, just like a comfy onesie. I have these ears. For this year's Halloween, I actually was a man-eater on Saturday. I also have a purple wizard cape that I will probably put in here too, that I got years ago, and I wore that for Friday this year. In this bag, I keep all of my glasses, which my Dripping Hearts is missing. I usually would keep them in here, but I don't see them. Then I have some masks, some rave masks. My Liquid Stranger fan that I broke at Deja Vu. I have a poncho for when I go camping. Dang, I literally have kept every single wristband. And then I have this mask, which you guys have probably seen if you've been following me on Moon Delights for a while. Yes, that's all of my accessories. I just don't have a place to put this. That's the problem. This has literally been a never-ending project. It is now going on 7 o'clock, and I am still not completely done. Like, there's still so much left to do. By the way, I did find my Dripping Hearts glasses, which is good. So I transferred all of the accessories that you guys just saw me talk about. They were all in this basket, but I just wasn't feeling the vibes. Like, I'm tired of looking at this. So I converted it all into where my original rave clothes were. and just kind of shove them all underneath my bed. Okay, I put you guys down for a sec so that way I can end the video here, but I hope that you enjoyed me showing you a little bit around my room and just the organizational process. I feel like my entire vibe, I've always wanted it to be like a Hollywood dressing room type of aesthetic alongside with a bed, like, because that's where I sleep. So slowly I have gotten to some sort of, I guess, vibe that I've finally enjoyed. And now I will have some more space to buy some new stuff and add some more things. That was basically the stem of this little video vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my Desert Hearts vlog, which will be this weekend. I'm so pumped. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like when I talk about my festival fashion or just fashion in general. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram so that way you can see all of my outfits come to life. And I think that is all that I have to say. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.